Okay, let's start the example of line clipping algorithm. Window is given. Okay, window is given. This is the window. Fine. For the window, uh, I will name it as ABCD. You can give naming in any direction. A, B, B, it's D. Mm, okay, D, and here it is C. Fine, A, B, C, D. These are the window coordinates. And now I will draw the different lines. Okay, window x y coordinates are a is 50 comma 10, 50 comma 10. B is 80 comma 10. Horizontal only exchanges. Right? What about D? D coordinate is sometimes lower left and right upper corner is given for the window. Okay, so that you can automatically calculate the remaining coordinates. It's 50 comma 40, 50 comma 40. And for C, 80 comma 40. Okay, this is the window coordinates are given. And now some lines you are going to clip. Okay, lines. I will draw a line. This is the line, first line. And one more line is there, P1, P2 and P3, P4. This is the line. Okay, just give names to a line. uh, P1, P1, here it is P2. Okay, P3, P3, P4. Okay, these are the lines. Fine. What are the coordinates for P1? I will write it down. Coordinates for P1 are 40 comma 15. Coordinates for P2 are coordinates for P2 are 75 comma 45. Coordinates for P3 are 70 comma 20. Coordinates for P4 are 100 comma 10. Okay, these are the coordinates given for points, and now we are going to calculate the intersection points for the line. Fine. So before that, I will name two intersection points quickly. Fine. Name it like say left hand side, so I will name it as XL. This is the left hand side of a window, comma YL. Okay, say the point is P dash. Intersection point name is P dash is equal to XLYL. Another point is here at the top, so I will name it as T, XT, YT, P, say double dash. Okay, this is the point, intersection point over here. Fine. Here one more intersection is there, so for this name it as, this intersection is P triple dash. Okay, P triple dash is equal to, this is at the right hand side, so XR comma YR. Okay, this is the intersection point. I will just highlight the intersection points, and with the green color I will highlight. This is the intersection point. This is the intersection point. Here is the intersection point. Fine. Now let's see how to calculate the intersection points over here. Okay. So before calculating, first check the outcodes. Okay. Outcodes for the left hand side is 0001. Fine. So for P1, outcode is, I will just quickly write down the outcode. Outcode for P1 is 0001. Okay. Region code or outcode you can say. For P2 it is at the top. Yes. So top is 8, that is 100. What about P3? P3 is lying inside the window, so 000. What about P4? P4 is at the right hand side, so right hand side is 0010. Fine, understood. So this is the region code. Okay, if you want I can specify here quickly. Region code. Done. This is about region code. For the P1, P2, P3 and P4, perform the ending of these two, ending of these two, ending of these two, P3, P4, P1, P2. Okay, here is the AND. After AND operation, what is the result? You will get 0000. Yes, for P1, P2. What about P3, P4? Again, you will get 0000 AND result. Okay, so that means we need to, that means the lines are partially visible. Yes, partially visible. Now perform the calculate the intersection points now. Okay, let's go ahead. For line 1, we will see first P1, P2. Fine. You have the coordinates of P1 as 40, 15, P2 is 70, 45. So which is the unknown point over here? XL or YL? XL is known definitely, right? What about YL? YL is unknown over here. So let's go ahead according to equations which we have written previously, right? YL, okay, is equal to or you can write uh, x1 is equal to y1, sorry, 1 is equal what I am doing, yes, sorry, x1 plus c, left hand side, right, xl. If you have equations you can use from the notebook as well, right? So here, sorry, y1 minus yl is unknown, no? So instead of this I will do like this, yl minus y1, okay, is equal to m xl minus x1, okay, or simply rewrite it, yl is equal to y1 plus m xl minus x1, okay. YL is not known in this case. What about Y1? P1, this is X1, Y1, right? 40, okay. P1 is equal to X1, comma, Y1. That is nothing but is equal to 40, comma, 15. And what is X2, Y2? P2 is equal to X2, comma, Y2 is equal to 75, comma, 45. Yes. Okay. Then calculate the slope of a line. M is equal to y2 minus y1, 75 minus 40, 75 minus 40 divided by x2 minus 45 minus 15. Sorry, 45 minus 15, y2 minus y1 divided by 75 minus 40. Solve this equation. Okay, you will get 6 divided by 7 over here. Fine. 30 divided by 35, right? So 5 6 are 35, 7 are 35, like this. So you got the slope over here. Y1 is x1 15, right? Plus slope is calculated by you, that is 6 divided by 7 over here. XL is equal to XW minimum. XL is equal to XW minimum. What is the XW minimum in this case? That is 50, right? So 50 minus x1 x1 is 40. x1 is 40. So after calculating this, you will get something in floating point. Okay, let's see what is the value. Do calculate it. You will get 23.57 over here. Fine. So you got the xl yl point, xl comma yl. It is nothing but p dash, right? What is the value for p dash now? Yes, p dash is 50 comma 23.57. Okay, this is the first intersection point you got over here. Similarly, we need to calculate the p double dash. Okay, let's see how to calculate p double dash point. P double dash is mm, p double dash is equal to xt comma yt. What is known over here? Y top is known. What is y top over here? Yes, value of y top is 40. So xt is currently unknown in this case, but yt is known 40. So let's calculate xt now. So for calculating xt, we have already calculated slope for the line. Just write down the equation. Xt is equal to, okay, check in your notebook, equations might be there already. X1 plus 1 divided by m. Slope is reversed. Okay, so it becomes 7 divided by 6 yt minus y1. Okay, yt minus y1. So what is the value of xt is equal to? X1 is, yes, it is the value of x1 over here, 40. Okay, either or equation you can consider, doesn't matter. Plus 7 divided by 6. What about y top? Y top is 40 minus, it is y1, 15. Calculate it, you will get the value something 69.16. This is the value for xt. So here you can write it 69.16 comma 40. So this is the intersection point you got here. Fine. Similarly, you can calculate p triple dash, right? But here you need to consider the right hand side. Which line? P3 P4 line. And for the P3 P4 line, yes, calculate the slope of the line y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so 10 minus 20 divided by 100 minus 70 over here. Okay, so minus 10 divided by 30, so it's minus 1 by 3. Slope for the line, slope for line P3 P4 comma P4 is equal to, okay, should I write it? 10 minus 20 divided by 100 minus 70. which gives you minus 10 divided by 30 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, this is the slope of a line. Here you got. Next, once you got the slope, now what is unknown in this case? Yes, XR or YR? YR is unknown. Okay, YR is not known in P triple dash. XR, comma, YR. Unknown point is YR. So XR value is 80. 80 comma YR. Let's calculate the value of YR here. Okay. Again, write down the equation. YR is equal to, now I will directly write it, Y1 plus M into XR minus X1. Okay, from this equation you can write XR, just simply YR is equal to Y1 plus M into XL minus X1. Fine. Go ahead. YR is unknown. What is Y1 over here? P3 point is X1, Y1. 70 is X1, Y1 is 20, right? 20 plus slope minus 1 by 3. Yes, multiply it with XR. What is the value of XR? XR is 80 minus X1 is 70. Yes, calculate it, is equal to 20, 10, right? Minus 10 divided by 3. Okay, so after calculating this, what is the value? Let's calculate it quickly. After calculating it, 10 divided by 3, 16.67. So you got the value of YR 80 comma 16.67. Yes, now what you have to do, draw the line from intersection point to either inside point or another intersection point. So how the diagram will look like, I will redraw it quickly. Fine. This is the window. Okay. Line visible is this much. Yes, and here it is after clipping. Fine. So what are the points now? Window point won't get changed. Window point will be as it is. Just I will P dash. I will write the P dash. 50 comma 23.57. This is P dash. Now write the value for P double dash is equal to, simply write it like this, 69.16 comma 40. Okay, and here it is p triple dash p 80 comma 16.67. Yes, this is the value. Fine. And p3 is as it is. Point p3 is as it is. That's it. So this is how you can solve the examples of Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. You just need to know the equation of a line. That's it. From that basis, you can calculate the number of intersection points and you can solve the example like this. As simple as that. Fine. Today we'll stop here.